Hey folks, I am going to use the Open Organ repository because I've not used this one before. So I explored it a little bit earlier and I'm going to show you what I found there. So using Shirley's link, I went into Open Organ, and the thing that I was intrigued about by that resource was Shirley's comment about being able to connect with other faculty who are using these resources. So I am on their home page. I'm going to play around with our video window. And then you've got like the search box. And so I'm going to put in public speaking because that's the class, the ZTC class that I am launching for spring. And then I'm searching. And then the cool thing about this repository is it lists the institution that's using it, the course that they use, whatever this resource is, the course material that they use, links to that material, and then the name of the faculty member who added this. What I found when looking at this list is I'm seeing a lot of the same resources on the list. So one of them is Public Speaking the Virtual Text, which is the public speaking project. So you can see it's being used at Blue Mountain Community College by Sherry Kendrick, but then you also see other people using it too. Alice Lewis right here. And yeah, so multiple people are using that book. The book I'm actually using, it's another OER textbook, is Stand Up, Speak Out. And so I can see these other faculty that are using this book as well. So someone's using it here, 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 here. Apparently that's the more popular public speaking book. And then you can, click on the link and it'll take you there. One thing that's kind of interesting is you can find the exact same resource in multiple different locations. So like someone is using it right here in the Open Textbook Library. Like it's also listed in the Open Textbook Library. But if we go back here, you can also find it on Saylor. So same book, but because it's an OER book, different people have put it in different locations. So there are multiple ways to access it. One of the things I like about it being here on Saylor is you can actually link to specific textbook chapters instead of linking to the entire book and having students search for it. When I first found this resource, they didn't have it organized by chapter, and so I would just put the basic link in, and then students would have to utilize that. So anyway, really cool. Open resources are great. Those were resources I was familiar with. The one I was not familiar with was the one right here on Lumen Learning, which now gives me a whole nother public speaking resource that I can explore. And this one is also organized by chapters and section of chapters. So that's something I'm going to look at using to enhance my classes. All right, thanks for watching this video. Can't wait to see what you come up with.